Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will demonstrate how to write a Hello World program in Golang. First we have to create our source code file. Go. Then as the very first line of our source code file we have the package declaration, package main. Then we have the import statement, import fmt. This fmt package have couple of functions that can work with inputs and outputs. Then we have to declare our function func main. Inside the function main we have to call println function from package fmt. So fmt dot println with capital P, then hello world. Okay, now we have our hello world program. Let's save this file and run this. To run this source code, use go run file name hello.go. Here we have the output. In coming video I will explain each and everything I have mentioned here, like package, imports and functions, everything in detail in coming videos. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks.